That's correct. Exercise 5 on page 7 of the workbook. Welcome unit. So number 1 is an example. Let's read it. It says, it is important to think about safety when you are in the countryside. Okay, the affirmative or negative is correct depending on the context in this case. So here is was the correct answer. What about number 2? Remember that right here you have all the answers, yes? And don't pick up any flowers which you see in the countryside. The which is referring to flowers, which is a thing. In this case it's plural, they are things. So that's when we use which. We use where when we refer to a place. Number 3, you should take a map to help you find your way. So should, remember we use it for advice. Advice is consejo. So should, deberías, shouldn't, no deberías. So this affirmative or negative has to be again with the context that we have. Number 4, you must or you mustn't eat any plants. They could be dangerous. And the correct answer is mustn't. Remember, mustn't, we use it for obligation or for prohibition. So tenés que o no tenés que in Spanish. In this case, it is in negative because of the context. Number 5, if you decide to swim in a river, be careful in the water. So remember the pattern here is after decided to, we always use an infinitive verb. So decided to plus infinitive. In this case, swim. Number 6, don't leave any rubbish after a picnic. So this is an imperative in the negative. It's always don't plus infinitive verb. Number 7, go to a chemist to buy medicine if you feel ill. So again here we have the infinitive. Why? Because after to it's always infinitive. To buy. We do not say to buying. Number 8, always close the gate in fields where there are animals. In fields, we are referring to a place. That's why the correct answer is where. We use who to refer to a person. Okay? And number 9 and number 10, they depend on what you have written. Yes? Good.